Hello guys, welcome back to PK African YouTube channel where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today's episode, we'll be making a different type of content. This is not like the ordinary cooking vlogs that you always like. Stay tuned to this channel. So today I wanted to talk about what it is like to have a cooking channel. Okay, so today I want to give you all the juice, everything, so stay tuned. So guys, are you there and you want to start a YouTube channel but you just hear about you have to have a niche? Okay, so let me break what is a niche down for you. Okay, so having a niche is like having something that you major in. Okay, so if maybe you want to major in cooking, this is your video. Okay, or if you just love cooking and whatever and you just want to know what goes around cooking, what goes down in cooking videos, stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm going to give you all the gist about having a cooking YouTube channel. So I've been in the YouTube space for 2 years. Okay, and I can say that YouTube has been good to me. Okay, and I thank God. Okay, so in YouTube there is something that is called 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That is what you have to have so that you can be monetized. Okay, so apart from the part for monetization is for everyone. It's not for like cooking YouTubers only. No, it's for everyone, every person, whether you have a niche or not. That's it. Okay, by the way, and even if you don't have a niche, this is still your video, because I'm sure most of us usually love incorporating, whether your channel is for vlogs, maybe prank videos, we all love cooking in our channels. Okay, so stay tuned as I share this gist with you guys. Okay, so I want you to tell you something that, things like ingredients are usually very, very expensive. We're in the 21st century and we don't barter trade anymore. Like, we don't do barter trade. So the way the cost of living is going up, that is the same way that the ingredients are getting expensive. And that and I know you're going to ask me, you're saying ingredients are expensive and your channel is just a cooking channel, but I cannot always be vlogging everything that I cook, because maybe I'm cooking type A. Let me say today I'm cooking rice, but I've already vlogged rice in my channel. Am I going to still bore you with the same rice content again? No, that is not going to be the case. So I'm going to change and maybe want to show you maybe something like spaghetti or pasta. So you see, I'm going to incur expenses. Okay, and I don't want to make boring meals. I want to incorporate my meals with spices, variety of ingredients that are definitely not free. So the first thing is, ingredients are so expensive. Another thing, when it comes to cooking channels, like there is something that is now called cinematic cooking videos, and I'm definitely trying it. But with that cinematic cooking type of vlogging, you really have to have like equipment and you really have to be creative. So when you come to YouTube, you'll have to really think. You'll really have to think outside the box. You'll have to like acquire, maybe step by step. You'll eventually want to have maybe a tripod, a DJ Osmo Pocket 3 maybe. That is my dream camera, guys. So if you're watching this video and you can maybe want to gift me, you can gift me that. I'll really appreciate. Okay, so, and also another thing is, when you're growing from like scratch, you all know what I mean from scratch. If you're growing from scratch, like nobody knows you just yourself and you decide, let me just take this phone, let me start vlogging. Let me tell you that, hey, YouTube can decide to maybe not favor you. Yes. So another thing is that don't always compare your journey. My journey is not your journey. So another thing is that low views. Okay, low views is something still. Okay, so, and also let's go to the next point. Okay, another thing is, imagine you're just fresh, you've come into the YouTube space. Trust you me, you don't know how to maybe use hashtags, you don't know how to use things like titles. Okay, you don't know how to. So you imagine in the YouTube space, you for the first time, you don't know how to use hashtags, you don't know how to use titles, you know. So for cooking videos, it's always nice to maybe start with how to, cause there is something that is called SEO. That is how, like, the systems, you know, YouTube is AI, so SEO helps you like know how people are going to maybe search whatever content you've made. Okay, so you can have a good content, you've even like looked for a very good thumbnail, but the title is not giving. Okay, and then another thing that I've experienced, most of the times I usually forget to take like thumbnails. Okay, I find myself forgetting, like, I've made a good meal and I've not taken a thumbnail, I've just taken like the video, you know. And that is so bad, because what are you going to show people? And the thumbnail is everything. Also, another thing, you can be telling your mind that you're shooting and you're not even shooting. You know, while we are working with these gadgets can always disappoint. Maybe you've pressed like the record button, but your phone doesn't have space, and you've set your phone in a way that you can't be able to like see. You've set it high, you understand, you've climbed up, ensure that you've pressed the record button, go down and start doing your content, and voila, the space, your device does not have space. So whatever you've been doing has not been recorded. Is the video going to be flowing? No. So what are you going to do? You're not going to upload that video. Another thing, if you're lazy, please don't come to the YouTube space, because with YouTube you really have to be consistent. Imagine if these big YouTubers like Mr. Beast, they are usually so consistent. You're there and maybe you want to like grow your channel. Most of people usually say consistency, but anyway, come to think of it, consistency works in every way. If you're consistent, maybe in trying to lose weight, you're definitely going to see the results. So another thing is consistency. You really have to be consistent in showing up. Okay, so when you're consistent, you definitely going to maybe get more views or more subscribers. Yeah, and then growing in YouTube is so slow. I think I told you that point before. Yeah. And also another challenge is, imagine maybe you want to start a channel, but the environment that you are in, people are always making noise. And imagine you want to start a cooking channel, you know, there are the sounds, the ASMR sounds that you want to like take, like the frying of fries, like when they're in the oil, you want to like hear that, you know, that sound. But the people that are surrounding you, they're not giving you that space. Because trust you me, when it comes to cooking, I can advise that we don't always have to like make voiceovers. No, we want to see everything happening and hear the cutting of ingredients, the sizzling of the ingredients on the pan. Also, another point before I forget is that I cannot just come here and tell you the negative sides of YouTube and not tell you positive sides of YouTube. Okay, so one positive side of YouTube is that you can get money at the comfort of wherever you are. And also, if you're doing something that you love, maybe cooking, you're definitely going to enjoy your YouTube journey. Okay, so if you're there and you're a small YouTuber or even a big YouTuber, kindly comment down below and let's engage in the comment section as we encourage each other, okay? And always show up. You don't know which video will go viral, okay? I also don't know which of my videos will ever go viral, so you post as you pray to God. Yeah, so that's all I can say. And personally, another thing that I usually do is that if like I know I have to show up, okay, and I don't have, like, let's say, the ingredients of making a certain meal. Imagine I just do the basic things. I go to the fridge or the pantry, I go and see I have A, B, C, and D. Be creative, okay? Be creative, and then try to Google and see how people are searching, like whatever people are searching, certain recipes, and try to steal such titles, and also be creative in thumbnails. But when it comes to thumbnails, I'm totally that I have a problem in that. But anyway, I'm going to work on that. So guys, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and welcome to the channel if it's your first time, okay? And thank you for being here. Bye guys.